It's gonna fall. Job of the day. Customer has a bad hanger on the passenger side, so I'm just gonna tear down the passenger side, cut this hanger off, put new shackle links, new bolts, and a new hanger on there. Let's get to it. We got 13/16 for the bolt and 7/8 for the nuts. It's gonna fall. No, it's not gonna fall. There's the hole. Oh, just cut that off, put a new hanger on there. It needs a new bushing. Equalizers look. Or not equalizer, but the shackle links. Yeah, we'll change those out. Let's get a cutoff wheel on that and start cutting. Alright, let's get it. Alright, hanger's off. Let's grind it down and then weld a new one on. Alright, on the good side, it's 25 inches outside to inside. Double check that. 25 inches outside to inside. It looks like they have the wrong spring on here. Should be a 25 1/4. I'll let them know. He changed those out. Rear hanger's off, it's all clean. New hanger's here. Just gonna tack it on, measure it out, make sure everything's good, and then weld it out. New hanger's on, everything's welded out. Just gonna paint it black and put hardware back on. Paint it black. Let's get shackle links back on. New bushings on this side. Put new shackle links and 2 new bolts and 2 new nuts. Let's tighten it down. Good to go, everything's tight, let's clean up. Tire and wheels back on. This tire looks good. Drop her down.